In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain on Google Workspace. This simple guide will take us through a process that's straightforward and designed to be completed in just around 5 minutes. So whether you're rebranding your business, have a new domain name, or just looking to make some updates, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, navigate to Google Workspace. This is your starting point for changing your domain and accessing the admin console, which is essential for managing your workspace environment. Once you're on Google Workspace, the next step is to access the admin console. This is where the magic happens. It's your control center for managing users, devices, and settings for your workspace. Now it's time to choose your Google account. Be sure to select the account associated with the Google Workspace you intend to manage. This ensures that you're making changes to the correct workspace environment. After selecting your account, you will be prompted to enter your password. Security is key here, so Google ensures that only authorized users can make significant changes like updating the domain name. With your password entered, click Next. This step confirms your credentials and takes you closer to the area where you can manage your domain settings. Look for the square dots icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This is your shortcut to navigate through Google's array of services and applications. Click on the admin console from the drop-down list. If you followed along, you're doing great. You're right back where you need to be, but let's navigate further to manage our domain. Now, follow this direct link or navigate through the console to find the Accounts section. Here is where Google Workspace allows you to manage various account-related settings, including domains. Next, select eDomains. This section is dedicated to managing your workspace's domain settings, essentially the address where your Google Workspace resides on the internet. Then click on Manage Domains. This button takes you deeper into domain management, where you can see all domains associated with your Google Workspace account. Finally, we've come to the crucial part. Select Change Primary Domain. This option allows you to replace your current primary domain with a new one. It's a significant step, so be sure you've chosen the correct domain you wish to set as your new primary before proceeding. And there you have it. Step by step, we've navigated through the Google Workspace admin console to change your domain. Remember, changes like these might affect your users and services. So it's always a good idea to communicate with your team about the update and ensure that they're prepared for the transition. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Now you're well equipped to manage your domain within Google Workspace. Happy domain changing!